Hello guys, welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to recover Twitter account without email or phone number. So just please follow my steps until the end and let's begin the tutorial. And so from here, we're not going to use Twitter app, but easily we're going to use a browser. In that case, I'm going to use Google Chrome, which is my favorite one. And now once I'm here, I'm going to search for help.twitter.com. And now I'm going to tap here on the search and I'm going to search for recover. And I'm going to tap on how to reset a lost or forgotten password X password recovery, which is this one. In here, I'm going to tap on how to reset lost or forgotten password X Twitter recovery. And now I'm going to scroll down a little bit until I can go to the section which says more password help and I click on contact X support. And from here, I'm going to left the first option or the first section, but the second one, I'm going to click on it and I choose I forget my password. In here, you're going to choose how did you sign up for this email or for this account. In my case, I would choose email address because when I had the account Twitter, I used my email address. And now go down a little bit. And from here, you need to make sure to enter your Twitter username and make sure to put it correctly. And here, you're going to put an email address that you have access to. And lastly, you're going to describe the problem that you are having. You're going to say easily and clearly, I lost my password or I forget my password and I cannot log in once again. And also, I have no any connection or linked account to this Twitter account, including phone number or email address. So once you do so, they're going to reach you out with a small amount of time and they will give you a response to your request of resetting the password. At the end, that was all today's video. If you find this very helpful, please don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.